This is Eric with Bowman Plumbing Services. We're located at Village Green, HOA. Today we are doing a video inspection from a back cleanout, which is on the back unit. There's connects to 827. Now this is again in the back of the property. This cleanout does allow us access to go into the pipe under the slab and to the front of the building, and we're currently 127 feet in. And we're going to pull back here. At 127 feet, we've reached a common line, which is past the tree that's located directly in front of 827. As we pull back here, we're going to take kind of slow to see the condition. And again, this is the line that pulls back individually from here, this point here, back towards the cleanout in front of 827. There are some small roots that are right there. And as we pull back in here, we're going to see basically the clay line that had been cleared by, I believe Acme Plumbing had done a hydrojetting recently on this line, which has at least opened it up enough to visually inspect the entire line. Again, not all roots are removed, but we can visually see the joints and the condition of the pipe. This is a 4-inch VCP vitrified clay pipe. And again, we're about directly underneath the tree here at the 112-foot mark. You'll see some roots right there. In fact, we'll push in just a little just to see this transition drop. You can see some roots there on the side of the pipe. We will clear those lines, those roots today to make sure they're completely gone. And we're going to continue pulling back again. And again, we are directly underneath that tree of 827. So the pipe doesn't look to be cracked in any point. It just has been infiltrated and shifted at the joints. And those joints you can see are where the roots are entering in. Now as we come back here, we're eventually going to be able to visually see a clean out access, which is a set of black pipe. And also going to see the joint between the cast iron to clay pipe, which is the joining portion of pipe between the foundation, and that's right here. So this is cast iron. We're going to push back in just a foot, and that is the clay pipe in the transition. And pull back one more time. Okay, so as we visually see this pipe just here, this is the cast iron pipe. We're going to pull back and continue through it. Just taking a visual on the condition of the cast iron. There's moderate corrosion, which is normal for a pipe of 40 years old. What we are looking for is if there are any cracks in the pipe or root intrusions. Those are issues which are susceptible to stating that the pipe is broken. We haven't seen any of those up until this point. We're going to go ahead and stop right here, kind of push in just about a foot. It looks like there are some small root intrusions here in the pipe at 60 feet. Can't tell if those are coming through a seam. We're going to pull back again a little slowly and just see if we can see any type of a break or a shift. And it appears that at this point, at the 59-foot mark, there is some sort of a either a crack or a fracture in the pipe that's allowing these roots to enter in. They're very small. They're hairline roots. Again, we'll clear those out with a jetting machine. We're going to go ahead and continue to pull back. Now from this point we do see just natural buildup and corrosion, normal sludge on the bottom of the pipe. Not much water goes through this section of the pipe because it is towards the back of the building. We're going to come back and pull it from the clean out access. Alright, and that's all. We're going to end recording session here for Village Greens. Today is June 13th, 2017. We're just coming off the inspection for Unit 827.